Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 21F09. We will present in subject Operation Management, which is Belacan Peghelih.
Belacan Peghelih is a family owned by Mrs. Liza, 55 years old. Business there originated around April 2004, when she was just 5 years old. The business was initially started with the help of family members and operated under the name Belacan Bakcan. The main product of the business is belacan, a local shrimp paste essential in Malaysian cuisine made from shrimp, salt and water. The business faced challenges when Mrs. Liza's father was played a crucial role in the operations as a farmer fell ill, leading to a temporary halt in production. Belacan Peghelih distinguished itself by sourcing its shrimp from suppliers in Perak. The process involved selecting prepared prawns, drying them, and ensuring they meet quality standards before processing into belacan. For product selection, as the core product and expertise of Belacan Peghelih continue to emphasize differentiating factors such as quality, traditional production methods, and local sourcing of ingredients. Product development. Belacan Peghelih explored creating belacan in a format similar to chicken cubes, which are convenient and easy to use in cooking.
For the process of manufacturing shrimp paste, it involves 5 steps of production process. Firstly, the shrimp are seasoned with salt, and the preparation is placed in the container for 2 days. Next, the mixture is dried under sunlight for 1 to 2 days. In the case of very hot day, the drying process takes only 4 to 5 hours at most. However, if the mixture is not sufficiently dry, they leave it under the sun for further time. If the mixture becomes too dry, it is moistened with brine to get it to the right consistency. After the drying and brining processes, the mixture of the shrimp and salt is allowed to ferment for 1 night and then pass through the filtering machine. This step also helps to achieve uniformity of the texture and taste in the final product. In the 4th step, the shrimp paste is packed by using transparent plastic bags instead of paper bags. This is to ensure the product remains in good condition to avoid packaging accidentally rip. Lastly, the product of shrimp paste is ready to be sold in the market. The production capacity of Belacan Peghelih has been well managed in accordance to the availability of resources including raw materials, human resources, and equipment. The processing of buying semi-finished shrimp from a supplier in Perak increases their capacity further by minimizing the time and work required. Therefore, it has saved the processing time. For the human resources, the business is managed with a very small crew, which means the processing work is managed by a small group of workers, but they are highly skilled and professional in processing. For the equipment, Belacan Peghelih always ensuring that the machines are well maintained and is in good condition to achieve the optimal production of quality shrimp paste.
Based on the quality of the products, there are 2 main qualities in Mrs. Lina's Belacan goods, which first are long duration products. Mrs. Lina's Belacan products are well dried and can last for 1 to 2 months when stored in a refrigerator at suitable room temperature and airtight packaging. Second is the taste of the products. To maintain consistency and customer satisfaction, Mrs. Lina carefully evaluates the flavor of belacan mixtures, which in turn encourage customer loyalty. Next are the strategies to maintain quality products, which are the supplier, customer feedback, and cleanliness of the workshop. Mrs. Lina maintains quality products by sourcing high quality shrimp from a reputable supplier in Perak, ensuring true processing and reducing spoilage. She also seeks customer feedback, addressing any issues promptly to build relationships and foster product development. Mrs. Lina also maintains the cleanliness of a workshop, regularly cleaning buckets, shaping tools, packing tables, mixing machines, and raw material drying machines to prevent production disruption and ensure high-quality products are delivered to customers. To overcome direct competition from general stores and supermarkets, Mrs. Liza's late father constructed a workshop for production in front of her house. Mrs. Liza's home is close to the workshop, which makes it easier for her to supervise production activities and uphold quality control. After contemplating the idea of renting a store, Mrs. Lisa chose to remain in her late father's workshop and concentrate on online sales because they were less expensive and faced less competition. The close location of the workshop to potential risks like theft, fires, and storms makes it easier to monitor and does not require security elements like CCTV system or security guards.
Belacan Peghelih used the layout type of group cell layout. Based on our observation from the visit to Peghelih Belacan workshop, we saw that the layout of capacity and equipment for belacan manufacturing was less organized and less appropriate. This is because from one place to another place is far and requires a lot of movement. For example, the chiller is quite far from the table where the workers form and pack. Human resources strategy is very important in the management of operation in the company's product production department. Accordingly, the workers' need for Mr. Liza is only 5 people to manage from the belacan manufacturing process to the label by pasting stickers. Mr. Liza is the owner who will manage marketing, delivery, customers' order, and finance. Mrs. Liza also trains employees to how to make belacan correctly and provides benefits such as bonus, diaper injection, and clothes and more.
Weakness operational. First, an uncomfortable and unhealthy work environment, such as poor temperature control and inadequate hygiene, can reduce employee motivation and productivity, negatively affecting belacan production. And second, impact of natural disaster. Natural disaster like rain and storm can cause power outage and leaking roof, disrupting production, damaging materials, and harming the company's reputation due to delays and increased costs. And third, limited manufacturing space. Insufficient space for belacan production can hinder efficiency, limit equipment placement, restrict worker movement, and increase the risk of accident, all of which reduce productivity. And the others is disadvantage of machinery and also high voltage machinery.
Improvement suggestion. First, maintain cleanliness throughout the production process. The workers are required to maintain personal hygiene and also the environment to maintain the quality of the product. Second, be prepared for natural disasters. Mrs. Liza needs to upgrade the conditions of the workshop so that production can run smoothly even though the workshop area is hit by heavy rain. Third, upgrade the factory area. Mrs. Liza needs to find an alternative to enlarge the area of the belacan making workshop. This is because a spacious and comfortable workshop area can help launch the belacan production process and can increase employee productivity. The other two improvement suggestion is increase the quality of machines used and using the appropriate production machine.
In conclusion, Belacan Peghelih story is a testament to the power of resilience and strategic management in the face of adversity. Mrs. Liza has successfully navigated personal and operational challenges to sustain and grow her family business. By maintaining high quality standard, diversifying product, and ensuring a motivated workforce, she has positioned Belacan Peghelih as a trusted producer of high quality belacan.